Good afternoon, children. So next again maths continue, that is exercise, that exercise 15.3, exercise 15.3. so in that up to here 4 problem has completed. Next, fifth problem. So fifth problem like this. See here, a container shaped like a right circular cylinder having diameter 12 centimeter, so and a height 15 centimeter is full of ice cream. Full stop. The ice cream is to be filled into cones of height 12 centimeter and diameter 6 centimeter having a hemispherical shape on the top. Find the number of such cones which can be filled with the ice cream. Here there is a container is there, that is in the shape of a cylinder shape. See here, example figure. This is a container in the shape of cylinder. It's full of ice cream here. Full of ice cream. So, which can be, ice cream can be filled in the shape of a cone with the top on the hemisphere. For example, see here. This is a cone here. Again, the ice cream should be like this. Means, on the top of the cone, it should be in the shape of hemisphere. ಬರ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್ ಮೇಲೆ ತಿಂತಾರಲ್ಲ ಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಹೆಮಿಸ್ಫಿಯರ್ಗಲ್ ಟೈಪ್, ಆ ಟೈಪಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋನ್ ಇದೆ. ಒನ್ ಕೋನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫಿಲಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್. ಸೊ ಇದ್ರ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್ನ ಈ ಕೋನಿಗೆ ಫಿಲಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೋನ್ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ? ಈ ಥರ ಕೋನ್ಸು ಇದ್ರ ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್ನಿಂದ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಲಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇಂಥ ಕೋನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ಬಿಗ್ಗರ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಇದೆ, ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಅಂತ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಇದೆ. ಇಂಥ ಕೋನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೋನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ದಟ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೋನ್ ಇಂಟು ಎನ್. ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಕೋನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್ ಆರ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್, ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಬಿ ಎನ್ ಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಎನ್ ಶುಡ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್. ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೋನ್ ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಈ ಎನ್ನ ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕೀಗ. ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಿಲಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ, ಆ ಶೇಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಒನ್ ಕೋನ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಮತ್ತು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕೋನ್ ತೊಗೋಬೇಕು, ಮತ್ತು ಅಗೇನ್ ಫಿಲಪ್ ಅಗೇನ್ not up to brims are on the up to on the top hemisphere shape should be come like that. You should fill up the ice cream. So again fill up, that is 2 3. How many cones are required to completely to vacate this container that is cylindrical shape? That you should calculate here. So here what should we compare? What should we compare here? We should compare the volume here. We should take the volume, not surface. So volume of this cylinder, how much volume is there? First let us calculate here. So he has given cylindrical data. What is cylindrical data given here? A right circular having diameter is 12 centimeter. So this is diameter, how much here? 12 centimeter given. So diameter D is equal to 12 centimeter. Then what is its radius? Radius estagutte. Suppose I am taking about a cylinder. So diameter is equal to D is equal to 12 centimeter. Therefore radius R is equal to D by 2, that is 12 by 2 is equal to 6 centimeter. Diameter 12 centimeter, then radius is half of its diameter, that is 6 centimeter. Next sir, again what given about this cylinder? Again height is given. What is height of the cylinder? Height of the cylinder is, that is represented by H, that is equal to 15 centimeter. So I am writing here height, that is H is equal to 15 centimeter. Next, this is the given data about ice cream container, such cylindrical container. Next, cone. The ice cream is to be filled with the cones of height 12 centimeter. Height cone how much here? This is 12 centimeter height. Height 12 centimeter and diameter only cone, up to cone you can take, not total up to here, only up to cone, that is height. Here I took H, no, H is height of the cylinder, you can take here H1 is equal to, that is 12 centimeter and diameter is 6 centimeter. I am writing here, diameter is 6 centimeter. You can take capital D here, capital. And its radius how much sir? Radius is R1 is equal to D, capital D by 2, that equals 6 by 2 is equal to 3 centimeter. Okay. Having a hemispherical shape on the top, hemispherical shape on the top, find the number of such cones can be filled with the hemisphere. So here what given, the ice cream is filled in the cones of 12 centimeter and diameter 6 centimeter, having a hemispherical shape on the top. Top diameter is 6 centimeters, sir. Okay, hemispherical. First regarding cone. So cone, regarding cone I am writing here. So next height. Height is equal to, that is h1 is equal to 12 centimeter. Again radius. So diameter. Diameter D is equal to 6 centimeter. Therefore radius R is equal to D by 2, that is 6 by 2, 3 centimeter. Hemispherical. Next one more hemispherical, no? I am writing here. So is it not hemispherical on the top here, on the top cone? Cone top, hemispherical. Hemispherical. So what is its radius? Same radius. Radius, how much is there, no? For cone, same radius for a hemisphere also. That is equal, because both are same, no? Diameter same here, 6 centimeter. So this radius is equal to, again, that is 6 by 2, that is equal to 3 centimeter. So now see here. So first you should calculate volume of cylinder. How much ice cream is there in that one? Is nothing but what? Volume of cylinder. If you calculate volume of cylinder, how much ice cream is there in that cylinder? That equal to the volume of cylinder. So it is volume of cylinder is equal to, so volume of ice cream in the cylinder is equal to pi r square h, pi r square h. That is equal to, what is pi value? 22 by 7 into, what is the radius of the cylinder? Radius of cylinder is, that is 6 centimeter, that is 6 square, into height of the cylinder is, height is 15 centimeter cylinder. You are going to get some value, that is cylinder ice cream, how much is there. Next, sir. Next, you should calculate a cone here. Cone. So volume of cone is equal to, formula what? 1 by 3 pi r square, r1 square h. H means h1 here. H1 means height of the cone here. R1 is the radius of the cone, is equal to 1 by 3 into pi value 22 by 7 into R1 means radius. That is same here. Radius is 3 centimeter, means 3 square. R1 square means 3 square. H1 means, H1 is the height of the cone, that is 12 centimeter. So this simplify here. So you are going to get next volume of the cone, that is. Next one more is there. Solid. What is that? Which is solid? That is hemisphere. So hemisphere you can calculate here, because I written here, or you can calculate here volume of hemisphere. So what is volume of hemisphere formula? 2 by 3 pi r cube. 2 by 3 pi r cube is equal to 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r value what? R value same here. Radius of cone is equal to the radius of the hemisphere. So that is nothing but what? Hemisphere radius is 3. 3 square means 3 into 3 you can write, 3 into 3. 3 into 3 you can write, 3 into 3. Why 3 into 3? Because r cube, no, this is 3 into 3 into 1 more 3, because r cube 3 times you should write. So you can cancel here, so you are going to get some answer here. So after getting all the volumes of cylinder, volumes of cone and volumes of hemisphere, so here one ice cream, so volume of let n be the number of cones, with full of ice cream, full of ice cream, so full of ice cream with hemisphere on the top, hemisphere on the top, n, then so is it not so n into each cone full of n into each cone full of ice cream with hemisphere on the top is equal to volume of cylinder. ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರೆಸ್ಬೇಕು, ಎಷ್ಟು ತುಂಬಬೇಕಿಂತ ಇಂಥವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಿಂತವು ಕೋನು ಮತ್ತು ಹೆಮಿಸ್ಫಿಯರ್ ಬರಬೇಕು ಮೇಲೆ, ಆ ಥರ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೋನ್ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಿ ನೋ ದಟ್ n number of cones is required to fill the total ice cream which is in the container, that is cylindrical container. I written here. So n into each full of ice cream with hemisphere on the top is equal to, so now volume of that cylinder. So now n into, so volume of hemisphere, you do one thing here. So volume of each cone, no, I want here, you can write it here. So that is the volume of each cone full of ice cream with hemisphere on the top is equal to, what you should do, this is a cone, no? This is a hemisphere, together you can add it, you are going to get, this is totally volume of the one ice cream here. So add material ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದ್ದು, so that is this is call it as 1, this is call it as 2, so 1 plus 2 add money, 1 plus 2. So now when you are added 1 plus 2 here, so that volume, this is you can write here is equal to, this answer you can write here. So volume of cylinder is equal to, I already find out volume of cylinder. What is, where is volume of cylinder here? So this is volume of cylinder, you can write here value. So n is equal to, so volume of cylinder divided by, so this one's volume of each cone full of ice cream with hemisphere on the top. N means what here? N is already written here, that n be the number of cones with full of ice cream with the hemisphere on the top. ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೋನ್ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಎನ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೋರಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು, ಈ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು, ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ದಿಸ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಎನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಅದನ್ನೇ ನಾನು ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್? So now this volume divided by total volume of cylinder divided by each volume of ice cream with full of ice cream with top on the hemisphere. ಇದನ್ನು ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ದಿಸ್. ನೋಡಿರಿ, ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಫಿಗರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿರಿ. ದಿಸ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ದಿಸ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎನ್. ಅದನ್ನೇ ನಾವು ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್. ಸೊ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ice cream problem. This is simply ice cream problem. Same next sixth problem is there. Same again similar to, so same here. So see the question I am reading here. So see the question is like this: how many silver coins? How many silver coins, comma 1.75 centimeter in diameter. Ending diameter is 1.75 centimeter, and thickness. Silver coin thickness also. Thickness is nothing but what? Suppose 5 rupees coin you can take, that is 5 rupees coin. What is thickness? Thickness is nothing but height, no? Height of that is coin, that is 2 millimeter given. See here, that is centimeter diameter. This is millimeter given. Comma must be melted to form a cuboidal of dimension 5.5 centimeter into 10 centimeter into 3.5 centimeter. See here. So now so sixth problem, same similar to the almost similar to, little changes here, similar to fifth problem, that is sixth problem. So how many silver coins? That is see here, for example I am drawing first silver coin here. Can you expect which shape this is? Silver coin, 5 rupees coin. Is it not in the shape of cylinder? Small cylinder this is here. What diameter? So this is the diameter of the silver coin. So D is equal to how much? So that is 1.75 centimeter. What is next? Thickness. Thickness is nothing but height. Coin ka height कितना है? Height is nothing but what? Thickness. That is thickness can be written as height. That is 2 mm. So 2 mm, देखो इधर centimeter है, उधर mm है. So convert into what? Same unit. So mm into centimeter how? 2 by 10 centimeter, because 10 mm is equal to 1 centimeters. Then 2 mm is equal to 2 by 10 centimeter. 2 by 10 centimeter. Okay. So convert into same unit. And next what is given? Must be melt to form a cuboidal shape. Must be melt. Melt ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿದು. ಇದು ಮೆಲ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ is equal to ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಸರ್? ಇದು cuboid shape ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Cuboid shape. Which shapes are? This is cuboid shape. Okay, cuboid shapes. So dimension also given, whose dimension means length to breadth to height. What is length here? Length is 5.5. So breadth is equal to 10 centimeter, and all are centimeter here. Centimeter. And height is equal to 3.5 centimeter. So how many silver coins are required? Is it not similar to ice cream here? One silver coin is given. One silver coin volume you should calculate. One silver coin volume, how to calculate here? So because he has given diameter means we can calculate radius here. So radius, how much we will get it? Radius is equal to D by 2. That is equal to 1.75 divided by 2 here. So this can be written as 175 by 200. I remove the decimal here. 1 point is there, no? Point after 2 digit, no? So 2 digit means here multiply with 100 to the denominator. So I remove it. This is the what? Radius. So now we can find out first volume of this volume of silver coin. Volume of each silver coin. Volume of, so each volume of silver coin is equal to, because silver coin is in the shape of a cylinder, cylindrical formula volume of cylinder, that is pi r square h. 22 by 7, r value is 175 by 200 into 175 by 2, means we can cancel here. So 5 से cancel कर सकते हैं. 5 से 5 4 जा 0, 5 3 जा 15, 2 remains 25, 5 5 जा. So 35 by 40, again you can cancel here. 5 7 जा 5 8 ja. So now we can reduce the value here. How much, sir? 7 by 8, no? So 7 by 8, how many times? 2 times, because square. into what is height here. So height I written in the centimeter, that is equal to 2 by 10, 2 by 10, 2 by 10. So you can cancel here, easy cancellation going, you can cancel here. So you are going to get volume of each silver coin. So this, next this sir, cuboidal volume. So volume of cuboidal is equal to, volume of cuboidal is equal to, so length into breadth into height. So what is length sir? All are centimeter. So 5.5 into 10 into 3.5. You are going to get this answer. Okay. So next what? There are n silver coins. L silver coins require. For assume that L silver coins required. L silver coins. This therefore, so n into volume of each silver coin is equal to, so volume of cuboid. Same ice cream problem. How the ice cream problem, last problem I done, same similar. So how many silver coins required? We don't know that. That is n. No? So n into volume of each coin. Volume of each coin you can write here is equal to volume of the cuboid. So n is equal to volume of cuboidal, volume of the cuboidal divided by, so volume of each silver coin. So how the last class I don't know, same similarly here. Your n means what here? So n is, you are going to get, n is the number of, here there are n number of coins are there, you are going to get. So this is your problems. Okay. So next again 7th problem is there. This is the 6th problem. This is 6th problem. Next 7th problem. 7th question. 7th question like this. A cylindrical bucket, comma 32 centimeter high and with radius of base is 18 centimeter is filled with sand. It is filled with sand, full stop. This bucket is emptied on the ground and a conical heap of sand is formed. Full stop. If the height of the conical heap is 24 centimeter, comma, find the radius and slant height of the heap. So a cylindrical bucket is there with full of sand. One cylindrical bucket is there. A bucket alli ಏನide sand ತುಂಬಿಸಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Sand, full with sand. Next ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. A cylindrical bucket 32 centimeter high. So its height given. Height what? 32 centimeter. Next what? With radius, base radius he has given. This is the diameter. Direct he has given the radius. That is radius r is equal to here only radius. No, this is radius r is equal to base radius 18 centimeter. This bucket is emptied on the ground. So when you pour the sand on the ground, you are going to get heap shape. Now that is, so heap shape means cone shape. Heap shape means cone shape, that is. So cone means we can write this is height of the cone, this is the radius. So what details he has given the about the cone here? Height of the conical heap is, height is how much here? Height is 24 centimeter. 24 centimeter and only height given, sir. And radius, find the radius. So r is equal to question mark and slant height. Slant height, L is slant height, that is also question mark here. So now see here, the bucket filled with sand here. When you pour the sand on the ground, you are going to get the heap here. Heap is nothing but cone shape. Is it not volume of the sand is equal to that volume of cylindrical cylinder is equal to the volume of that heap, sir, that is. So definitely equal. So now you should calculate first cylinder. So volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. 22 by 7 into r value is 8 square into 18 sir. That is here 18, that is I think 18 centimeters. 18 square into h value is 32 centimeter. So you are going to get volume of cylinder. That is equal to cylinder. Next, before comparing this volume, you should calculate first what here radius not given here, no. Slant height also not given here. So volume of cylinder is equal to volume of conical heap. Conical heap here. Volume of cylinder, what that is? That is volume of cylinder, that is pi r square h is equal to, so conical heap is 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 pi r square. This is h1, you can call it as, this is h2, you can call it as. This is h1 means cylindrical height, h2 is conical height, that is. Okay. This is r1 is the radius of the cylinder. This is r2 is the radius of the cone, that is. So all the values you substitute here. I substituted now. You can calculate this. This is the volume of cylinder you are going to get. Next 1 by 3 into. So pi both you can cancel here. Pi cancel. R square also cancel. So next what here? So h1. So h1 is equal to what this is? 1 by 3 into, what is h1? h1 value is 32, no? 32, no? Is equal to, so you do one thing here. So this value you can substitute here. Don't cancel here. So volume of cylinder you can substitute the number here. This number 1 by 3 into, don't cancel here. That is pi you can cancel. Remaining r square you can write it here. So into h2. So h2 value also given here. h2 also given. h2 24 you can write here. h2 24. So next here r2 square. So by taking this, all this is, so you are going to get r2 square. So radius, this radius you are going to get. So after getting the radius, then you do one thing here. Next afterwards slant height. So L is equal to square root of r square plus h square. So L is equal to square root of r means what here? r2 square. r2 means radius of, we are getting now here radius. That radius you put here. Height means already you know that is height is, that is 24 square. So square root you can take. So you are going to get L value. You are going to get L value. So next again L value. So that is asking only two question asking here. That is radius of the cone, that is L2, R2, and radius L question is I got it here. So radius also you got it here. So this is your seventh problem. This is your seventh problem. So here one thing here remember. So in the figure only you can getting the idea about that one. So volume of this cylinder sand is equal to the volume of the conical heap. Conical, you should compare the volume. Both you can compare here. This all the details he has given, you can write here. So here R2 don't know, that is R2 you can question mark here. You can substitute the transposing the values here. You can calculate R2. After R2 there is separate formula is there to calculate the slant height. That is slant height L is equal to square root of radius square of the radius plus square of the height here. So you can substitute the values height and radius. You are going to get L value. Means slant height value getting. So this is seventh problem. Next so eighth and ninth problem, that is water problem, that is there. So that we can do it. So not get it. So I'm doing later. I'm doing, so that is. Next this is 15.3 exercise has been completed. 15.4 means last exercise of this lesson. That is surface area and volume. So last exercise this is. So last this exercise there are how many questions are there? 5 questions are there. The 15.3 last 2 problems, water problems, you can try to do. If not get it, I will do on the next revision classes. So this next exercise 15.4, last exercise. So next last exercise this is of surface area and volumes 15.4. In that first question, the drinking glass, this is about to exercise frustum exercise, the based on the frustum. This problem I think I already explained that is frustum. This is frustum. See here, this is called frustum. This is R1 you can take, this is the R2 you can take, this is the slant height L, this is the height, okay, height, this is the height perpendicular to the base height, this slant, this is L, slant height means L, and this is the base radius R1 you can take, and top radius R2 you can take. So now in this frustum based problem, the first question is like this: a drinking glass is in the shape of a frustum of two cones of height is 14 centimeter. Full stop. The diameter of its two circular ends are 4 centimeter and 2 centimeter. Full stop. Find the capacity of the glass. Capacity of the glass means what? What is the meaning of capacity? How much water is required? How much water is we can pour? Means what? That is capacity means that volume we should find out. Volume of that frustum, volume of that container. How much water is we can fill in that one, that you should calculate it here. So now here drinking glass, assume that this is a drinking glass, its height is given. What is height? The frustum of cone of height is h is equal to 14. So this is the frustum of cone. Frustum of cone means, suppose if this is a cone, if you cut here cone, you are going to get the part, what the remaining part you will getting, that is called a frustum. Nothing but a steel bucket in the house, just like a steel bucket. So this is a frustum of cone here height given. So height h is equal to 14 centimeter and diameter, two ends diameter, circular end, one is this is diameter 4 and another diameter is d1 is 2 centimeter. Circular base radius means bottom it is in the shape of a circle. So now base radius you can take. So base radius shall I take, that is R1 here, base radius R1 is equal to, so 4 by 2, because diameter is 4 centimeter, by 2 you can do it, you cancel, you are going to get 2 centimeter, that is R1. Next to top circle, no, that is top radius, that is so top radius you can take R2, top radius R2, total diameter is that is d1 by d2. d1 is 2 centimeter divided by 2, 2 and 2 cancel, 1 centimeter. The radius R2 is 1 centimeter, R1 is 2 centimeter. Height is 14 centimeter. Now next what you should calculate? So find the capacity of the glass. Capacity of the glass means frustum of the glass is nothing but volume of the frustum. So volume of frustum is equal to capacity of the glass. Capacity of the glass. That is equal to, what is the formula for volume of frustum? Volume of frustum formula, it is almost related to the cone, because cone and frustum are both related. So therefore remember the volume of the cone. So that is 1 by 3 pi h. Don't take r here. So most of them doing wrong here only. So 1 by 3 pi h into r1 square plus r2 square plus r1 into r2. R1 into r2. Substitute the value here, 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into h means what? Height 14 centimeter. R1 square, so radius of the base here, that is equal to 2 square plus R2 square, radius of the top, that is 1 square plus R1 into R2, R1 is 2, R2 is 1. Okay, so the value substitute, you are going to get see here 7 1 ja, 7 2 ja, so 22 1 is 22, 22 by 3, 22 by 3 into here 4 4 ja, 2 2 ja 4, plus 1 1 ja 1, plus 2 1 ja 2. So simplify, you are going to get answer. That is the volume of frustum. Nothing but what? Capacity of the glass. Okay, so this is your first problem. So next problem. What problem next to? The slant height of a frustum. Again frustum based problem. This is the first problem. This is okay. This is first problem. This is the first problem. Next second problem. See here, I am reading the question. Second problem. The slant height of a frustum of a cone is 4 centimeter and perimeter circumference of its circular ends 18 centimeter 6 centimeter. Find the curved surface area of the frustum. Second problem. Again frustum based problem. Okay, this is the height, this is the radius. R1 you can take, this is the radius. R2 you can take, this is the h you can take. So slant height he has given. Slant height, this is the slant height. Slant height, literally slant it is to the base. That is slant height 4 centimeter he has given. 4 centimeter and perimeter also given. Perimeter circumference of its circular ends. One is perimeter P1. Base perimeter you can take. Base perimeter is equal to, that is equal to how much given? 18 centimeter and top perimeter is equal to 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. He is asking what here? Find the curved surface area of the frustum. Curved surface area, round. This curved don't include top and bottom, only curve shaping surrounding. That area you should find out. So now here how to do, sir? Here curved surface area. So curved surface area, first what is the radius you should find out by using the perimeter, base perimeter. Now see here, first I am taking here, so base perimeter is equal to 18 centimeter. No, what is perimeter of circular? Because it is in circular shape, base is in the circular shape. What is its perimeter formula? So 2 pi r, because I am taking here r1, so 2 pi r1 is equal to 18 centimeter. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r1 is equal to 18 centimeter. So r1 you can calculate it. R1 is equal to, so 18 into 7 divided by, so 2 into 22, you are going to get r1. So the radius r1 you are getting. Next, by taking the top perimeter, see here, top perimeter is equal to how much value given here? 6 centimeter. What is top perimeter formula? Again same, 2 pi r, because top is also in the form of circular shape. So its formula is 2 pi, but instead of r, we can write r2. Because this radius I took r1, this radius you can take r2, is equal to 6 centimeter. So 2 into, again pi, 22 by 7 into, what is r2? Don't know, that is r2 is equal to 6 centimeter. So r2 is equal to 6 into 7. This when you go to that side, it may multiply, divided by 2 into 22. So after simplify, you are going to get some answer here. That is nothing but what? R2 radius. After finding the R1 and R2 radius, next we should find out what next? That is that is what? Height we should find out. Curved surface area. So curved surface area, how to find out curved surface area? That is, so now see here, So by taking the slant height and the radius, slant height, radius and height, there is a relation is there. Their formula is there. What formula that is? So we know that. So L is equal to square root of so h square plus r1 minus r2 whole square. Do you know? So in the cone, what we are doing? L is equal to square root of h square plus r square I am writing. But in this frustum, r1 minus r2 whole square. So by taking this one, so r1 and r2, by taking this one, you should calculate here h. Because slant height also given here, that is 4 centimeter. Square root of h don't know. Plus r1, how much sir? R1 I got it now, some value. R1 minus r2 you can write here. Square it. So 4 is equal to, so after this one, so you can root squaring both side. So we are going to get squaring both side. So finally you are going to get h value, that is nothing but what? Height of the frustum. So height of the frustum, after getting the height of the frustum, not completed still. Next you should calculate the curved surface area of the frustum. What is curved surface area? CSA, curved surface area of frustum, is equal to formula. Curved surface, not including top and bottom, only curve shape. That is curved surface area of frustum is equal to 1 by 3 pi h into r1 square plus r2 square plus r1 into r2. I written here, same sir here. 1 by 3 pi h into r1 square plus r2 square plus r1 into r2, same here. Sorry. Volume, this is a volume I written. Curved surface area, not this is. So curved surface area means what here? Curved surface area formula, that is in the cone pi RL will getting, no? That pi RL and here link it here. Curved surface area is into R value is R1 plus R2 into L. Okay. So this is the curved surface area of the frustum. Curved surface area of the frustum here. In the cone, only pi r L I am writing. Instead of r here, what you should write in the frustum? R1 plus R2. Why? Because here R1 is there, R2 also is there. Different radius are there. So substitute here. So pi value is 22/7. So radius R1, R2. We know that R1 and R2. How much you are getting now? This R1 and R2. You can write it here. So into L value also we know that is slant height directly given in the question, that is equal to 4. So substitute, you are going to get the answer here. So understood now this is. So first what you should do, by taking the perimeter, base perimeter, you should find out radius, and top perimeter by taking we can find out radius. Then after finding R1 and R2, let us take a formula, that is so slant height formula, L is equal to square root of h square plus here R1 minus R2 whole square. But in the cone, only h square plus r square. Instead of r here, r1 minus r2 we can take here. So is equal to, by taking all the values, this h we can take here. H value means what? Height of the frustum here. So all next curved surface area of the frustum is equal to this pi into r1 plus r2 into L. R1 plus r2 into L. This is pi value, r1 r2 cancel. We are going to get answer. So this is second problem, sir. Sir. So next again 15.4 exercise. I am continuing the third problem now. So first and second problem I have done just now. So next third problem, this is also based on same frustum problem. See here. Third question. What third question? So a fez, a cap used by Turks, is shaped like a frustum of a cone. So Turkish peoples are using the cap like this cap. So this is here, I am drawing the cap, that is. So this is the cap, sir. So this is the figure here, third figure. So this is the Turkish caps, people's been using this cap here. So it's shaped just like a frustum cone, frustum of a cone this is. So its radius on the open side where? Here down only open will know. So this open side, how much centimeter here? Radius. So radius is, open side is r is equal to 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter radius, open side. That is closed side, that is open side. Okay, next radius of the upper base is 4 centimeter. So this is the radius. This is R1 you can take, this is R2 you can take. That is R2 is equal to R2 is equal to 4 centimeter. Base radius. Base radius, that is R1 is equal to 10 centimeter. Base radius, and upper we can take top better. Top radius is equal to, that is R2 is equal to 4 centimeter. And slant height also given. Slant height, this is called slant height. How much this is? 15 centimeter. So slant height, that is slant height comma L is equal to 15 centimeter. Okay. Find the area of the material used for making it. So how much material for making that is for making that cap, Turkish cap, how much material is required? Means area you should find out. Area ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಆ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್. ವಾಟ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕರ್ವ್ಡ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ top, circular shape top. If you find out this curved surface area plus that area on the top, how much area is required. Okay. So now let us see here how to calculate curved surface area. So curved surface area is equal to, so height given, no, not given, height not given. So now curved surface area. So curved surface area of the cap, nothing but frustum is equal to pi into R1 plus R2 into L. Pi into R1 plus R2 into L. So pi value 22/7 into R1 value is 10 centimeter, R2 plus R2 value is 4 centimeter into L value is L 15 given is equal to, you can calculate 22/7 into 14 into 15. So you are going to get curved surface area of the cap now. Okay, cancel, you can get 7 1 ja, 7 2 ja, you can multiply and write down. This is only curved surface area but not included top now. Now you can calculate area of the top. Area of circular top is equal to, that is because circle on the top circle shape will be there, no, that is area of circle formula pi r square. Pi r means what? R2 you should take, don't take here R1. R2 you should take pi r square, that is equal to 22/7 into R2 means what, sir? R2 value is 4, that is 4 into 4. So you can cancel, you do it right here. This is top area. Now this area, curved surface area plus top area, so if you add it, you are going to get total area. So total area of each cap, total area of the cap, total area of the cap is equal to curved surface area of frustum plus curved surface frustum, nothing but cap plus, so area of top circular area of circular top. That area, how much that is? This is, you can write you can add it, both you add it, you are going to get this totally, how much total area of the cap required. Total area of the cap, so required, you are going to get. This is easy. Curved surface area of the frustum shaped cap plus area of the top, that is circle shape will be that is pi r square. So pi r square, so you add it, you are going to get answer, that is. Okay, so this is your curved surface area of the frustum. 15 cm. Find the area of the material used for it. No, find the area of the material used for it. Make means this is material, means area you should find out. So next problem, so we have like this, that is a container opened, opened from the top and made up of a metal sheet, is in the form of a frustum of a cone of height 16 cm with radii of its lower and upper ends 8 cm and 20 cm respectively. Full stop. Find the cost of the milk, so which can completely fill with container, so at the rate of 20 rupees per liter. Also find the cost of metal sheet used to make the container if the cost is 8 rupees per 100 square centimeter. So this is see here, this is also easy, is there? So very simple here. So question is like this: a container opened from the top open and made up of metal sheet, so is in the form of a frustum. Okay, so frustum shape is there. It is opened here, open, open on the top, here closed here, closed here, open, here closed here, in the form of cone. Height is, frustum of cone height how much here? 16 centimeter height. So height I am writing outside here, h is equal to 16 centimeter. And radii of its lower and upper end is 8 centimeter and lower and upper 8 centimeter. Lower is, this is smaller radius. Smaller radius is 8. That is, you can take R1, and this radius is, this is R2, that is equal to 20 centimeter. Okay, 20 centimeter. Respectively. Find the cost of the milk, so which can be completely filled in the container at the rate of 20 rupees per liter. So you should first completely fill means what? After filling the milk here, so how much it is filled here first, that you should calculate it. How much milk is there in that container? Nothing but what? That is nothing but volume of the frustum you should calculate it. So now, so volume of milk is equal to, so volume of frustum, volume of milk is equal to volume of frustum. Okay, so now volume of frustum, we know that already how to calculate volume of frustum, that is equal to 1 by 3, so pi h into 1 by 3 pi h into r1 square plus r2 square plus r1 into r2, that is 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into height means height of the frustum 16 centimeter, bracket open. R1 means radius, smaller radius, that is 8 square plus bigger radius, that is 20 square plus 8 into 20. So this is so after calculating here, so you should get answer, that is volume of the milk, that is nothing but volume of the frustum. So next, after finding this one, find out the cost of the metal sheet. That we can, after getting the milk here in cubic centimeter we get it. So we know that 1 cubic centimeter is equal to divided by 1000 you can do it. So divided by 1000 you can do it. So you are going to get here liters. So liter you are going to get. So divided by 1000, if you get it 1000 cubic centimeter. 1000 cubic centimeter is equal to 1000 cubic centimeter is equal to, so 1 liter. So convert into liter here, means divided by 1000 you are going to get so liter. So next, what he is asking here? So he is asking here 1 liter is 20 liters. So 1 liter So 1 liter is equal to rupees 20. So how much you are getting? Now that you can write it in question mark, cross multiplication. You are going to get totally how much rupees we can calculate it here. Next, afterwards, again how much material is required for this one? The cost of the metal sheet. To make it a container, frustum like container, how much sheet is? Sheet is required means what? Area you should calculate it. So area is equal to question mark. So area, how to calculate here? We know that already area of curved surface area of the cap, just like a frustum, this we can calculate it. So area of metal sheet. So area of metal sheet, so required is equal to curved surface area of frustum plus next here closed, no, here circular closed circular base, curved surface area of frustum. Already I written here formula, that is equal to pi into R1 plus R2 into L plus circular base. It is in the shape of circle shape will be there. We know that area of circle formula, that is pi into which radius, that is R2. Don't take here R1. Okay, R2, because closed circle here R2 is there, R2 square. So is equal to, so pi we can take common. So R1 value is radius, that is 8 centimeter, plus R2 is 20 centimeter. L slant height. So slant height not given. So slant height not given means first you should calculate slant height here. Slant height L is equal to square root of what formula? Square root of h square plus R1 minus R2 whole square. So when you come to the this one area related to the frustum, compulsory you should calculate L value, slant height value. How? Is equal to square root of h square plus R1 minus R2 whole square. So h we know that already, h value. So square root of 16 square plus R1 is radius 1. This is R1 means here you should take R2 minus radius. This is R2 minus R1 you can take. Bigger radius minus smaller radius. That is 20 minus 8. 20 minus 8 whole square. So after simplifying, you are getting some value, that is nothing but what here? That is nothing but slant height. That slant height value you can substitute here, L value you can substitute here. So you can get answer. Next R2 value is, R2 is 20 square. So okay, so last finally after simplifying, so you can write multiply with pi value is 22 by 7, 22 by 7 pi value, 22 by 7 into, so here 28, L value substitute here, you are getting L value, no, substitute here L value, so plus, so L value something plus 20 square 400, so simplifying you are going to get area of the metal sheet required. How much area is required to make this metal sheet in the form of frustum. Okay, so up to here 4 problem has completed here. So next here pi value, suppose if you given pi value, so you can take specific pi value as given 3.14. If not given, you can take 22 by 7 always. So last one problem is there. So metallic right circular cone 20 centimeter high and whose vertical angle is 60 degree is cut into 2 parts at the middle of its height by a plane parallel to its base, full stop. If the frustum so obtained be drawn into a wire of diameter 1 by 16 centimeter and find the length of the wire. So in this exercise 4 problems I done here. So 5th one you can try to do at home. So if not get it, so I'll do it on later, I'll do it. So this is okay. So that, so 15.4 all problem I had done here except one problem. So this problem, so that all this chapter completed surface area and volumes. Next which are the not completed, statistics I think, statistics tomorrow I'll continue. Okay, thank you sir.